Now let us create the knuckle joint assembly 3D modeling. Okay, first let's start the mechanical design assembly workbench and go to the properties and give the name knuckle joint assembly. Knuckle joint assembly. Okay. Then we have to bring in the parts one by one. This is for existing component. In this assembly, from this folder, the first one is fork. Okay. Now in this default, okay, location, we have to fix it. Let's fix this. Okay, fork. This constraint is applied. First one is fixed. Second component, we have to bring in. Okay, we have to bring in the eye. So go to existing component, to this assembly, from this folder, the eye. Okay, the eye is merged there. To move the eye further away, okay, let's apply somewhere. Okay, and bringing that side and rotate it other way around. Okay. Okay, now apply the coincident constraint. To the eye, okay, of the axis point. Now it's done. Again, we have done a mistake, I think. Let us apply the coincident constraint. Okay. Okay. And then surface contact. This surface of the eye to the surface of the fork. Now refresh it, update it. Okay. The next component we have to bring in is the pin. The pin, okay. Okay, this, okay, the axis to this axis. Okay, let us refresh it. Okay, and then let us move it other way around. Okay. Okay, and then apply the surface contact of the inner collar edge to that. Done. Okay, the next component we have to assemble to this assembly is the collar. We don't know where it is gone. Okay, let's move it using the compass. Let us see. Okay, then apply this compass to this collar. Let us apply this to the collar and move this collar. Okay, collar, move it up. Okay, now the collar needs to be aligned using coincident. Let us hide before that these geometric sets of collar. Okay, and even this we can take it out Okay, now apply the coincident constraint to the axis of the pin to the center axis, and then the surface contact of this to this. Now we are not collected the surface. We have to select surface. Okay, now refresh it, everything assembled. Okay, the last part we have to bring in is the pin, cotter pin. Cotter pin, now it has come, sorry, it's not cotter pin, tamper pin. We have to bring in the tamper pin. Okay, tamper pin has come. Let us hide this geometric sets, but we don't know where this part is. Okay, let us go and place our compass. Try to bring it out. Okay, now let us assemble this using coincident command to this axis, this this whole axis. Okay, now refresh it. Now assembly of the knuckle joint has been completed. Okay, and for visualization sake, you can hide the constraints. This is what our first exercise in the automobile engineering drawing exercise, knuckle joint assembly. Okay, thank you for watching.